Okay, we got our dehydrated tomatoes right now. We're boiling some water to put in the crock pot. And we got a cup and a half of beans. We're gonna rinse them and then we'll be right back. Okay, we got ours. We got all the rocks out of it and everything. Got a cup and a half. Got it rinsed. Now you're gonna cook them 8 hours on low, 4 to 6 hours on high. Mine is a 6 quart, so we're going to add 6 teaspoons. Of chicken bouillon powder. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. You don't have to do this. It's just the seasoning I'm going to use. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Don't have to do that. That's just the only season I'm using. 1 teaspoon of parsley. I put parsley in everything. Y'all don't have to do that. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. You can use less if you don't want to use that much. 2 teaspoons of salt. You don't have to use all that many. You can use less. I got 16 small pieces of bacon and some bacon grease. Okay, let's put our bacon and our bacon grease in here. Got 16 little pieces. This should feed at least 2 to 3 people. A cup and a half is what we got. You need more, add more. For you and your family. Okay, we got our boiling water. Now we're going to put it in here. And then we're going to start our crock pot. Warm your crock pot up before you do this. Put your boiling hot water in it. Okay, we're going to stir this up. And then we're going to put our lid on. We're going to let it cook at least 8 hours on low because we're not in a hurry for it. If you are, 4 to 6 hours should be enough. Then test it to make sure that's done enough for you to eat. What in the world scared the crap out of me? That was that pot where there wasn't no water in it sitting on that hot burner. Scared me to death, y'all. Now, after you cook them, taste them, and see if you need to add any more seasoning. Most people just put bacon, water, salt, and pepper. But I like mine with lots of stuff in it to make it taste better. Okay, see you all later, and I hope y'all enjoy these beans. I'll get back with you when ours is get done to show you what we're going to do with them or eat with them or whatever. Thanks. Our tomatoes are dehydrated. Oh, after it cools off, we're going to just grind them up. I'm going to be putting them in storage. Our beans are done. Here's what they look like. Okay, we're going to try some of these. Yum, they're good. Now let me taste some of that juice. If it needs anything, salt, pepper, what? Needs salt. I know that. And I think it'll be all right after that. Now you can leave them on simmer all day or on low, and then you could eat as you want them. Make you some cornbread, fry you some taters, corn on the cob with them, or macaroni tomatoes. Fry you some chicken, whatever you want. Pork chops. Yeah, or pork chops, yeah. Maybe cucumber and a piece of hot pepper. They don't know what they're missing, do they? That's what it needed, was salt. Thanks for watching. This is our beans in the crock pot. This is how much tomato bouillon powder we got from our tomatoes, dehydrating them. And when I get ready to ground them up, then they'll be on the shelf till I need to use them. And I'm going to make more. Keep me from buying them from the store right now. Ain't they pretty though? Today we're making ketchup, and we're going to use green tomatoes and red, because we're going to try to make some green tomato ketchup. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Ronnie bringing stupid snakes in the house.
Maybe black snake. He catch my eyes and stuff.